Welcome to Assam, India, a region known for its vibrant culture and rich heritage. Today, we will take you on a journey inside Assam's woodworking hub, Gamari Enterprise Private Limited. Located amidst the lush greenery of Assam, this manufacturing industry specializes in crafting exquisite wooden products. With a skilled workforce and state-of-the-art machinery, Gamari Enterprise Private Limited is dedicated to creating high-quality wooden furniture, home decor, and handicrafts. At Gamari Enterprise, every piece of wood is carefully chosen, ensuring only the finest materials are used in their manufacturing process. From cutting to shaping, each step is meticulously carried out by skilled craftsmen. The artisans at Gamari Enterprise take immense pride in their work. With precision and passion, they transform raw wood into stunning masterpieces. Whether it's intricate carvings or beautiful wood finishes, their attention to detail shines through in every product. Not only does Gamari Enterprise produce exceptional wooden products, but they also prioritize sustainability and environmental consciousness. All the wood used in their manufacturing process is sourced from responsibly managed forests, ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. Whether it's a timeless dining table, a unique wooden sculpture, or a beautifully crafted chair, Gamari Enterprise offers a wide range of products that cater to different tastes and styles.